Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the forex market. Well, today, guys, few currencies stands at the point where our short-term setup is completed. So actually, we talked about the pullback on euro currency as well. On the weekly report, we said yes, we are waiting for 115 area in general. On the weekly chart, a recent sell-off was really significant last week. It means that, well, not bad chance stands on further downward continuation. But meantime, in the beginning of the week, once market stands oversold, once it has hit some intraday targets and stands in support, this minor pullback is possible. And the same story was on the Great British Pound. Actually, we have traded this pullback recently in the last week. The same story on the gold. On Australian dollar, also the same story. So take a look. Now, market stands at the point where theoretically downward reaction could continue. So it means that if you have traded this pullback long side, you need to think about taking the taking the profit and closing the position, or at least tight your stops to protect your result. On the cable, take a look. It shows quite different story, quite different action. While gold and euro currency were climbing higher, cable is stagnating around this level. And if you have taken the short position, now you could move stops to the break-even. That's actually our yesterday's setup. So now market not really freely, it has some problems here with the downward action, but still it's turning to the downside, and we'll see what will happen. At least it's currently downward action has started. The same story on the Australian dollar. Our pullback target is done. Recall what we talked about, the possible double repo. Actually it is completed mostly, because double repo suggests at least the 50% level of the thrust. Well, maybe few pips hasn't been reached the 50% level. Market currently stands around 30%. It's mostly the pullback also is done. So what we could do in the euro. Let's go back to the euro currency. First of all, we need to keep an eye on the flirting of the market with the MACD line. Maybe today we get nothing, but tomorrow, if market will keep flirting with the MACD, we could get the bearish grabber. That will be a great assistance for possible possession on the short side and possible downward continuation to the 115 area. The next confidence support on the weekly chart, you remember, we treat this level as a good area for possible taking the long position in the euro. That's the point what we could keep an eye on euro currency on the daily chart. On the intraday charts, what we have right above the market, so market has retested the natural support resistance line. That's the destination point that we have discussed in our weekly report. If you will take a look at it, you will see on the last chart in the report for hourly chart where we're considering the possible pullback. Also take a look. That's also confidence resistance, 1764, 1772. That's also the level. It's really strong. It's also natural support resistance area, and market right now is meeting this resistance level. Upward action here is also mostly done, because take a look at the hourly chart. That's our hand shoulders that we have considered. Market has completed the XOP pips to pips very accurately. So XOP target is completed. So that's why you have traded this to the upside. If you haven't taken the long position, well, think about the protection of your profit. For the taking of the short position, well, since this is a strong level, theoretically it is possible with the placing stop above the resistance, but it would be better to get something else, some more confirmation that market is reversing. Maybe bearish pattern here will be formed, some Russian rings, double top, minor double top, or for example tomorrow we will get the grabber on a daily. That will be much better than currently. So currently, well, in general this level probably is sufficient, because it's confidence, it's agreement resistance, natural support resistance area. So overall tendency stands bearish on the Great British Pound, while they are mostly, in the recent time, they're not quite moving together with the euro. But still, they are dollar related, and as we know on the daily cable, we have the bearish grabber. It suggests drop below this low as well. In some degree, your currency probably should follow the same direction. That's why theoretically you could try to take the short position even now with placing stops above this area. But for careful traders, for conservative traders, it would be better to wait clear signs of the reversal, and it would be better to get, for example, daily grabber. That would be much better than we have currently. So, and that also will protect you from maybe some occasions that could happen, because currently you see the technical pullback on this resistance, but what will happen next, well, difficult to say. But appearing of the grabber, some flirting with this level, this will be some signs maybe of the reversal. This will be more confidence for position taking. That's what we have currently on the euro, and actually on all other markets, on Australian dollar, and the Great British pound. Now we'll see what the shape market will take and whether we will correct on the downside continuation or not. Or also, guys, the final moment that today is the last session of the September, and it will be very interesting where market will close on the monthly chart, because as we discussed in the weekly report, September could become the bearish reversal month. If we will get the bearish reversal month today, well, let's bring more also confidence, more probability that downside retracement indeed will be more extended on the monthly, on the daily chart, and the chance to reach 115 area will increase from this technical moment. Well, that's all.